Well, today is the last day in the UK, and this means one thing. It is the packing day.
It is.
And look at all the mess we have here.
We have a role in our relationship, and I am chief packer. So every time we move anywhere, I do all the packing. And basically, what you can see here is everything that we own.
Colin is a good packer, or at least he's a lot better than me, because I just throw everything in the suitcase and then it doesn't fit.
To get it all in, everything's got a space. It needs rolling to get more in. That's the tip for the packing. And everything always goes in the same places. I put socks and underwear over there, all our main things there. Mostly toiletries here with some heavy things, jeans and things to try and balance the weight out. So it's Saturday today. We're flying tomorrow, so we need to get everything packed and ready because the homeowner's coming home this evening.
Yes.
So we need to get everything ready and sorted before she comes home.
So it is quite a hectic day, and to add to the complications, yesterday we went for a run yesterday afternoon, and Colin had a tumble on the pavement.
I did.
So the results, Colin?
Well, we were nearly at the end of the run, and I don't know what I fell over, but I must have just tripped over a paving stone or something. And I went to the left-hand side, quite a nasty tumble. All this side here is all grazed and marked, and my knee caught quite a lot of it. If you can see my knees quite painful there, which all looks bad, but that looks bad. But the worst thing is this wrist is swelled slightly, no damage at all, but I think I must have fallen that way and tried to protect myself with this wrist. I don't think it's broken because I can move my fingers, but it's really painful. So I'm putting ice on it and trying to help with the swelling. So what we don't want is to have to go to A&E today. We haven't got time really. I'm going to leave it, and if it does get any worse, we'll just go to A&E in Greece. That's the bottom line really.
So we'll carry on with the packing, and then we'll continue with our journey at some point.
Yeah. We'll probably when we set off tomorrow, we'll turn the camera on and get some video of us the journey.
It'll be a very early start.
It will, yes. And here we are, half an hour later, as if by magic, even with one arm, ready to go. I'd say Thessaloniki. Here we come. Good morning.
Good morning. We're on the National Express bus. It's 7 a.m. Looking rough. Had a few hours of sleep, and now we're heading. Well,
first stage of the journey is Cheltenham to Victoria, and then we swap buses, and then it's Victoria to Gatwick.
Yes. So it's quite a journey.
It is. It would have been cheaper, if I'm honest, getting the train, but it's a Sunday, and we don't trust trains on Sundays. There's always works going on, so because we need to be there for the flight, we decided to go for the bus.
Yes. So we'll update you in the next step of the journey, which is Victoria. Yes. We have arrived in Victoria. The journey was a couple of hours, wasn't it?
Yeah, not too bad. Very easy. Sunday travelling is good because there's no traffic, so you're sort of know the timetable is going to be quite accurate.
So we're having a coffee here to refuel, and then in about 30 minutes we're heading to Gatwick.
Yeah, we're lucky. We just heard there's problems at Heathrow Airport today, so I'm glad we're not travelling to Heathrow, whatever those problems may be.
Yeah.
Fingers crossed everyone's okay at Gatwick, and we'll be on our way in about half an hour.
Just an update on the progress, because we're making very little progress towards Gatwick. There's been an incident at Heathrow, and the bus had to leave some passengers there, which took forever. The roads are gridlocked, and it's 12:35 now. Our flight is at 5 to 4, and we have at least an hour ahead of us. It's going to be really tight.
So
The traffic's not moving very far. It's a
Our-
very, very stressful.
our idea of getting the bus because we didn't trust the trains might have been backfired.
Definitely.
We'll see.
But fingers crossed.
Yeah, we've still got probably about half an hour leeway, but the traffic's really slow. So unless the traffic picks up quite quickly, I'm afraid it could be a night at Gatwick Airport for us.
Lovely.
Let's see.
Good news. We have made it.
Unbelievably, like a miracle. The driver is fantastic. We got here on time. We've got probably about 20 minutes to spare.
Yeah, we need to rush to the
We need to
check-in
go
desk.
to the checkout. But good news.
We have finally arrived at the flat.
Long day.
It's been quite stressful at times. But anyway, we're here now. It's we're starving as well, so we're gonna go out to the neighborhood to find something quick to eat and then crash in bed.
It's pitch black at the moment, so we can't show you anything.
But we will in the morning.
Yes, so we'll go find something to eat, have a sleep, have a shower, and then we'll show you around tomorrow.
Good morning from Thessaloniki.
Good morning.
This morning we had a lazy start, had a couple of coffees and needed a period to distress after yesterday's anxious journey.
It was a bit stressful. There was definitely a time we thought we weren't going to be able to get here.
But last night, after we spoke to you, we had a nice meal in a taverna here in town. The good thing is that you can go out as late as you want, and there's like places you can eat. So that was good. And we thought today to show you around the flats that we booked. It's from booking.com.
Yeah, we booked it. It's a small flat. It's got its pros and cons for sure. 2 bedrooms, bathroom, kitchen.
Yeah, let's show
you around.
Let's show you around. Let's turn this camera around. So this is the first bedroom, and it leads to the balcony where there's a city and mountain view in the distance. There's a couple of windows here. Actually, there's another window there behind the door that opens, and you can go to the other balcony. Yes. Hallway here. Another bedroom here. And again, it leads to that balcony with a city view. Every room's got a TV, although there's not Netflix. The bathroom is here. It's relatively small, but it's got everything you need. Quite a nice mirror that illuminates. And then we have the living room. Well, living room. This is a kitchen really with a dining area. There's another TV here. And it leads to the familiar balcony with a city view. It's a lovely day out there, sunny. The downside is there is no
living area. There's no like main living area. It's just a tiny kitchen with a table and a few chairs.
There's no sofa or anything.
Which is fine for us for a week. I wouldn't stay here for a month for that reason.
Yeah.
But it's a crash pad. It's fantastic.
Yeah, I mean, it was £350
£50 a day for a 2-bedroom apartment.
Quite central,
Yeah.
and there was a free taxi with Booking.com, which was very handy.
Yeah,
actually.
fantastic. And the bonus, the best thing about this
The
apartment,
best thing about it, for sure,
is the terrace.
it's got a
Got a massive terrace.
massive terrace, and there is views, uninterrupted views. And there's some furniture here to sit down. You can see over there the sea. Then in the distance, you probably cannot see it because there's some clouds. Mount Olympus is over there. That's the highest mountain of Greece, and that's where the 12 gods live. And then over there, there's like some hills at the end of the city. And then this is the upper town, as it's called, Anopoli, that we will go in one of the next episodes to film over there. So this kind of wraps up today's episode.
Yeah, it's a short one just to show you where we are. And we are now going out in the daylight for the first time, to explore the streets of Sals.
Yes. And we're going to have a couple of episodes here in Thessaloniki. We will do one day the coastal area with the White Tower, and another day we're going to do, as I said, the upper town with the castle. There's plenty to see here.
Yeah.
The weather is going to be nice all week, hopefully, so it'll be good for filming. So goodbye for now. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.
And we'll see you very soon. Bye.
Bye.